Witch.
Hi, I'm going to show you a double leg rolling back take and how you can get into it from somebody trying to sink the butterfly hooks into you. So I'm right here. He shoots in to get his butterflies. He does. I'm going to drop all my weight down, try to get my hips over his. If my hips are over his, it makes it hard for him to push me away from him, and it makes it hard for him to try to lift me up. But he may try to reach up, get an underhook or something to lift me up. And when he does, I can take that arm, drag it across, kill his hips over this way. I'm killing his hips with my chest right here, and I'm holding his arm down. So now I can take this, come over, and shoot this leg in as deep as I can while I keep my weight on him. And now I can figure four my legs, and I've got his ankles trapped. From here, I'm going to keep my weight on him as I swim over the top of his head. You'll see my knee comes over the top of his knee, and I come bring him into that hold. Relock my legs, and now he'll probably be trying to get an underhook. So I stopped him by keeping his elbow from coming back. Now I squeeze my knees together. I'll try to squeeze my knees together to make sure that this leg is as deep as possible. Now while I'm holding this, I can pose, I can keep everything, try to keep him from moving into me. Now, I've got this arm trapped right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to posture up on that as quick as I can. This is going to be in a flash. It's just all one motion. So I come up and I'll do a shoulder roll. And here's how it's going to look. Up, shoulder roll, back take. From there, I can get my hooks in. I can keep his legs triangle, or however, do whatever submission you want to take from the back. Okay, I'm Ron Lampman. This is Min Dolman. Robin Menard behind the camera. Okay, thank you.
Witch.